Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2760. Today's date is 1st June 2023. It's night at 10:21 p.m. All right. So, uh, inspiration is okay. I don't know. Like from couple of days now, I am really not making Artifact episode that seriously. Why? Because I don't know, I'm not really focused. Okay. My attention span is like really less. Like I don't know, yeah. Um, I can't watch any movies, any web series. Like in 2017, I usually watch web series, movies very intensively. But it's just like I can't watch. But why? Why are you like? Can't watch means I can't understand. Okay, and why is this thing is really necessary to you to watch movies and things like that? Okay, why? Because of that, na. Okay, no, I'm not like a like I just like I'm not saying that. Okay, I just have to watch movies. No, not at all. Okay, like basically, na. As a person, as a human, has a particular attention span. Like how much you can put focus on one thing, that is really important. Okay, right now in this social media and the people, right now in this 2023 world, as a human attention span is very less because of TikTok, reels, and the YouTube and things like that. We everything like a whatever we want, we just get quickly as soon as possible. All right. In the movie, in the web series, this phenomena doesn't really take. This phenomena doesn't really work on movies on web series. Okay, because movies and web series are made for such people who has a higher attention span. Okay, like as a like they are actually telling a story. Okay, and while telling a story you need a particular period of time to understand what is a character, what is actually happening to them, what is the obstacles, how they handle it, and then slightly step by step they will go proceed further. And for that particular content creation and content execution takes time. So that's why movie takes 2 hour, 2.5 hour, as a web series take almost like a 30-minute, 44-minute for one episode. Okay, so it's a very long. Okay, as the audience who wanted to uh, understand that web series or find out what is actually happened in the story, you have to spend lots of amount of time. Okay, in movie, in that web series. Okay, in today's world no one has that amount of time, really nothing. Okay, yeah, like I'm not saying that okay, no one is actually watching any movies. No, movies, web series, yeah, definitely most of the people watch. Okay, it's kind of like a something really big criteria. But having a attention span is really important. Okay, like you have to be focused for things will happen. For that you have to be attention key what is exactly happened in the story and everything. But why is this attention span you are actually talking about? Because of that, na. Ki usually I'm doing YouTube. Okay. making videos and things like that. Most of the entertainment I get only from YouTube. Okay, like I usually watch videos on the YouTube. I just have to understand, inspire, and everything. Okay, the last movie I watch is uh, last movie, entire movie, not just start movie watch for 2 minute and no, entire movie. I don't know. Okay, I know. Okay, last time which movie you watched that you remember? Doctor Strange. Yeah, I watched that movie in theater. Uh no, it's just like I don't know, yaar. Like the last time I watch movie in theater is maybe Doctor Strange, which is almost like 6 to 7 months ago. Yeah. So yeah, I also watch Thor. Thor. Thor third part of Marvel. Okay, I watched that movie, which is actually um, after the no, it's not after. It's actually before the Doctor Strange mind. So the last movie I watched is maybe Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness, which is actually released in this year. This year, I don't know. I saw this movie maybe months ago. So what I'm trying to tell you, okay, I'm not actually watching any movies. Not in the theater, not in the internet. I don't have any Netflix. All right, and yeah. Um, but why are you talking like is this like what is exactly you want to say? I just think that my attention span is really less. Uh, so what do you mean by that? It means by that ki like no, it's not na like basically some of the movies meant I don't know, yaar. I just don't know why I didn't really have that much attention span. Like some of the movies are really great. Okay, like I'm not saying that ki my attention span is really less. Okay, like I can watch Battlefield. Okay, Battlefield no Battleship. Okay, this movie I can watch the movies that I watched earlier. Okay, because of that, ki I know what I will expect from that movie because I already experienced this thing. Okay, so this is actually happened because of that ki I can usually watch a movies that I watch earlier. Okay, I can watch that movie for 2 hour, maybe 2.5 hour. Okay, because it just feels really good. Like if I say Pacific Rim, obviously, yeah, or Battlefield, Battleship, sorry, Battlefield, Battleships. Okay, most of the movies, okay, that I watch earlier is really good. Okay, but uh I can't give any chances to new movies because of that ki I didn't really know, and I am not really familiar with the things will happen. Okay, like if like a someone told me to watch this movie, then I watch, or maybe someone is with me and he says that ki, let's go to theater and watch this movie, so I will watch that movie. But from my perspective, that like basically almost like a couple days ago, Fast and Furious 10 is released. Okay, um, I didn't decided, my cousin came, and we decided that ki we have to watch this Fast and Furious. Everyone agreed, but eventually some sort of work happened, so we decided that ki we postpone that plan, ki we will watch after sometimes, whatever it is. Okay, but after that na, like this never become okay, that postponed this plan was cancelled. But I thought that ki I will watch this movie, but eventually I didn't. Okay, because I just don't feel like ki I just have to spend 200 rupees plus 3 hour in that movie, including going on to the theater and things like that. Okay, so I didn't really feel that ki, yeah, no, I'm not doubting the movie. No, movie was really good, maybe it will really great, the badass action and everything. But I don't know, I just don't feel like to watch. I just feel that ki maybe I will lose my time and money, which is really essential for me to spend that time into my creating craft. All right, which is really essential for me. So that's why. I just watched a video about Mr. Beast. Is actually playing, watching a song for 10 hour. Okay, just one song is actually watching, listening this song for 10 hour. He just took his challenge for himself, that he will he survive, and definitely he survive for 10 hours. Okay, 10 hours watching straight videos. I don't know, like can I do that? um like I know ki when Flash is a web series, I was very like very excited about the Flash web series. Okay, and first season I watched, it was really amazing. I was really excited about what will happen in the next season. Next season, like the second season, has 22 episode. Okay, each episode roughly say 42 to 50 minute, 40 to 50 minutes. Okay, and I complete the entire series in one day. Yeah, one day maybe. One day, yeah, in 24 hour. So basically what I'm, if I'm calculating the time, is that ki each episode roughly takes 40 to 50 minute, we are counting 40 minute. Okay, so 40 minute, each episode is 40 minutes, so 40 into 22, let me calculate. 40 into 20, so it's almost like a 880 minute divided by 60, so it takes 14 hour. Okay, so it takes 14 hour to watch entire web series. And I know that ki I watch entire season 2 web series, Flash web series, in just one day. Like, I was so thrilled by like this web series, so I just couldn't stop myself, and I just like I just sleep. I just one thing I know that ki I sleep for just 7 hours, and rest of the time I just watch that web series. All right. So 14 hours I watch. Okay. But why do you watch 14 hours? Because of that, na? Ki you watch for what the fuck? Okay, and this is just a beginning. Okay, like you just have to watch. Okay, the that web series. This guy he took another challenge, and that challenge is also even, I don't know, like, is he mad or anything? I don't know. But let me tell you one thing. Okay, I will tell you why he did that. Why he did that. But right now I'm telling you the challenge. Okay, this guy. It's also available on YouTube. Okay, this guy named Jimmy, aka Mr. Beast. He count 1 to 1 lakh, from 1 to 1 lakh. How much time take to count from 1 to 1 lakh? I don't know. Just guess that ki 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12,463, 13,748, 11,969, 39,454, 17,698, 11,000. I don't know. Okay. It just like, and my guess that it will take maybe 40 to 45 hours maybe. Okay. This guy count 1 to 1 lakh straight, just in 40 hours. Not just like, I'm not emphasize on the time, but he just count that number. I don't know, dude. Like a legit, it was like a super, super, super torture. Okay, this is legit torture. Okay, yeah. Like 1 to 1 lakh. I don't know, yaar. Like a, and yeah, it's available on the YouTube. It's available on the YouTube. And I was really shocked. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you why he did that. Okay, this video Basically, I haven't get any sense of this, but he did it in the YouTube. None, like no one did it. No one. Okay, like I haven't seen a person who is actually doing something like that, but he did it. Okay, at that time, 2017, because he was dedicated to one thing. Like he was making videos. This guy Jimmy in 2017, his age is maybe 17 to 18. Okay, he was just kind of like a high school guy. Okay, and he was very passionate about the YouTube at that time. Okay, he was very passionate about the YouTube and he was making videos for the YouTube, but the video is not going the well. Okay, because his execution and things is not really good. Okay, so that's why he decided to do something even more crazy that no one does that. So he took his challenge that he will count 0 to 1 lakh straight. Okay, yeah, it's a unique challenge. Yes, I don't know someone who do that. Maybe he is actually recorded in Guinness Book of Record. I don't know. Okay, but he did it. He did it. Why he of neurosurgeon, father of mathematics, father of this, father of physics, father whatever it is. Mr. Beast, that Jimmy, is a father of YouTube. Yeah, like this is actually a really pathetic word. Okay, no one actually says something like that. Father of YouTube. No, but yeah, he is, because he put lot of determination in that thing. He put a lot of effort. I am doing YouTube right now. My subscriber is a 50. I am not having get so much views and things like that. But does that make me stop that YouTube? No, I will make it. I will definitely make it. Yeah, even if my video work or not, it's just like I will definitely make it, because this is the only thing that I have. And that's why this Mr. Beast is became inspiration to the millions of people who is actually pursuing YouTube as a career. They have to take inspire from that Mr. Beast, like what he done for that. Okay, how much, like basically na, yeah, in the end content is a king. Yeah, I'm not doubt about that. Like basically he uploaded 25 hours of video on the YouTube. I don't know, no one will watch that entire 25 hours of video in YouTube. No one will watch that, but still he uploaded. Okay, what I'm trying to tell you that he he was not showing the length and everything. No, he was showing his determination in that video, like how he was determined for that content. Okay, in the end, content is a king, but the execution of the content is also really good. But for that execution, you need to be determined for that. You have to be more focused. You have to put a lot of effort for making videos. Okay, that's why Mr. Beast is right now is one of the top YouTuber in the world, because he did something like that. I'm very impressed. Not impressed, I'm very inspired. Like he was dedicated right now in 2023, his age is 25, 25, 26 maybe. Okay. But at that time he was doing such thing that I couldn't even imagine. But yeah, he did it. Did it. This is it. I just have to go to bathroom. Okay. Thank you.